Hey guys, how we doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So a wild day in Bitcoin today. Not really much happened today, as you can see. That's basically all that happened. So well, not even all this, just this basically. So yeah, you can see here 15-minute DMT. Obviously, because the volatility is low, it's coming up pretty quick to the price. So it is currently just under 6,900 for the sell level. And Bitcoin itself is trading, well, there you can see it, 7,037. So not too far away from that sell level. 25-minute Dominator on Bitcoin. I mean, it got the best trade of the day really for you. Basically went sell here on this candle here, and then there you get the dump straight after. So great signal for the indicator there. So that was it was only a dump of nearly 1.5%, but I mean nothing's really happened today. Ethereum 15-minute DMT, pretty much the same story. Sell line flying up to the price. This will probably end up settling around here, I'd say around 166. But yeah, just not a lot going on. 25-minute Ethereum Dominator probably took a similar trade to the other one. Yeah, this got us on the wrong candle. Well, not the wrong candle. We sold on this candle. We still came down, but yeah, we're lower anyway than the entry. So still in that sell trade. I'm still working a short position anyway from the fallout of that wedge still. So we're gonna see what happens. The fallout of this wedge here. I'm not gonna draw it on again. You guys know what I mean. We do appear to have. Let me get this up now. I will draw it on. We do appear to have. I think we've retested the. Oh, what's going on with these lines? Depending where how you wanted to draw this wedge. You could. I don't think we even could actually. I was gonna say, wait a minute, are we in Ethereum? That's why. I knew there's something wrong there. I was looking at that thinking that's not the Bitcoin chart. Why can't I draw my lines on? Here we go. Bitcoin chart. Here we go. Let's go into the 4-hour. Right. So we'll get these lines on now. This really need the one line. So the falling wedge line. Let's get this a bit more right. So yeah, you can see we fell out. Basically, we fell out of the wedge. If I drew the other side on, we're in a wedge. We came back, tested it, rejected. Looked like we may be, depending on exactly how you draw it, looked like we may be trying to come back and back test it again. Around here. And then we could potentially get a dump down again. I mean, that's a pretty clear looking bull flag here, which then obviously could take us another leg up to around about this region. Which is getting to the high 7,000s, which is where I think almost the perfect sell level would be. Yeah, best laid plans and all that, but that's where I think would be a good sell level. But we could very easily dump down before that. I think the market, I mean, it feels like distribution up here to me. It feels like we're still trying to get some people to buy, some people to take some longs before we get some big volume to dump the price down. That's what it feels like, but it doesn't necessarily have to be that. It is hard to spot distribution on such a small time frame. It's normally a larger time frame. It is a larger time frame thing. But yes, so that's all I'm really looking at today. Waiting for the move. Obviously, we had. What is interesting is the savageness of the pump we had up in stock markets, based on President Pump talking about when they're going to reopen the economy and whatnot. So and then what was interesting about that is Bitcoin didn't have a follow through pump with that, which was interesting because Bitcoin has been pretty closely correlated to the stock markets. I mean, we did get a bit of a move, but nothing like like an equivalent move basically in Bitcoin. So that to me is a sign that Bitcoin is weak. That to me says if the stock market goes up, Bitcoin doesn't really go up, but then when the stock market goes down, I would expect Bitcoin to get hit pretty hard. That's what I would expect from that sort of observation. So yeah, we'll see how that plays out. So other than that, not a lot really to talk about. The other bot that we've got going on, the new Dominator Bot, which is more of a short-term scalper bot. It literally took 2 trades today. It took a long, which I actually manually cancelled because I'm bearish basically, and I didn't really want to be long at the level it bought at. And then it took a sell, which basically is sold at pretty much the level we're at now, but the bot took it off a bit higher. It just took us out of the position because we didn't get the move down like we expected at the time it entered the trade. So that's fine. That's what it's all about, taking little losses. The details of those trades are going to be in the description of this video, so you can see the 2 trades from today. Basically cancelling each other out, both tiny trades, both tiny percentage loss, tiny percentage gain. They're not tiny trades, but yeah, just waiting to try and catch a big move like we did the day before. Well, day before today, so yesterday that is. But anyway, so thanks for listening, guys. Remember, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research. Yeah, hopefully we'll get some action tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get some movement, some trades that we can jump on, because the day's been pretty boring. But yeah, fingers crossed. So thanks for listening, guys, and I'll speak to you soon.